If you're still broke in 2025, it might hurt to hear this, but it's probably your fault. And no, I'm not being insensitive. I'm being real. And you need this wake up call. We are in the most connected, resource rich time in history. Want to learn a skill? YouTube's free. Want to make money? Start freelancing. Sell something online or make content. Grow a side hustle. No excuses. If you've got a smartphone and a Wi Fi, you've got $1 million toolbox in your hand. Stop blaming the government or your past or your family. Harsh truth, that mindset is keeping you broke. Everyone's got problems in life, but people who win in life, they use their pain as fuel and not as a crutch. You want to see the results? Then stop planning and start doing. Wake up earlier, cut the distractions, build something, learn, work, post that content, sell that skill. Most of us don't need advice, we need more discipline, and we need to take action. If you're comfortable right now but broke, that's a dangerous place to be at. Growth lives in the discomfort. Say no to parting. Skip the Netflix binge and invest that time into something that pays you back. Because here's the truth, darling. No one's coming to save you. Not your parents, not your siblings, not your friends, not your colleagues, and definitely not the system. Your life, your responsibility. And if you don't take the control now, don't cry when someone else is living the life you wanted. If that felt personal, maybe it's time to take it personally and change. Now go and fix it. Change it for the better. This is it for today. But if you want to learn more about finance, our channel is all yours. And remember, 2025 can be your year, but only if you make it happen. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace out.